What if I told you you can start getting your 4,000 watch hours without uploading videos every day? Yes, this is real and not fake, and this is not those get quick monetized scam, or I'm not talking about buying views and subscribe. This is a new trick I discovered on YouTube that small YouTubers are using to get watch hours and subscriber faster than ever. Most creators are ignoring this. They don't even know it exists. While other creators are using this to boost their watch hour, increase their audience retention, and get monetized quickly without even going through the process of uploading videos every day. If you are struggling in getting 4,000 watch hour, low views, subscribers, or low impression, this tutorial might be the most important tutorial you are going to watch this year, especially now that the YouTube system is changing and creators are looking for smarter ways to grow very fast. In today's video, I'll be breaking down everything step by step. I'll be showing you the exact hack YouTube just introduced and how to start using it to start seeing yourself getting a lot of views, subscriber, and watch hour. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you to my screen and show you. So now the first thing is you are going to click on your YouTube app. You are going to come to your YouTube app. Then you're going to click on this plus icon. Then you are going to move on to live. Then you are going to click on this pencil icon. That's the next thing. Then after that, you are going to change the title. You are going to change it because that actually a game you are going to be using to actually achieve this. First of all, let's change the thumbnail. So you should have already designed thumbnail first. So I'm just going to come to my gallery and select any random thumbnail. So I'm going to select this. Then let's say the title of the game is just don't have to give it any, just give it any other title. Let's say let's play let's play this game. That's going to be the title. So we're going to be using a game to do this. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to add your description. Then no, it's not made for kids. You know how to do all these stuff then. So that's how you're going to do. So after that, you scroll down. Then you're going to click on go live. You're going to click on go live. After checking out all your settings and make sure they are correct, then you're going to click on go live. Then it's going to bring you over to this interface. So now we're going to wait. Our life is about to begin. So yeah, our life is ready now. So now the next thing is you're going to click on close. Our life is now ready. So we are going to close it with I don't want to show my face. So if you don't want to show your face, yes, you are not going to be showing your face. So you are going to click on this, on that video icon. Then you see this. If you scroll down here, you can see this on the middle. You can see this icon on the middle. You are going to click on it. This is where we can get the games that we are going to be playing. There are a lot of games here, different types of games. So you are going to play the one that have a lot of views, and as you are playing this game, people are going to be watching you, and they are going to be even telling you how to play it in case you are not doing it properly. In that way, you'll be getting a lot of watch hour. This is what many of my students have been doing. So now I'm going to click on it, and you can see this is the game. So as you are playing it, people will be watching you. They will be telling you how to play the game in case you don't know how to play. You don't know how to play the game. Try this and see yourself getting a lot of watch hour and subscriber. And this is it. So go and try this out. And in my next video, I will be making